congruent and this pair are vertically opposite angles. Let me go to an example to verify what these ideas. If we have two lines, coplanar L and M, and we have these 8 angles, as you see labeled from number 1 to number 8, he's asking, how can we prove that these two lines, L and M, are parallel? Given that, he will give us a help that 1 and 8 are what? Are congruent. Let me see, where are they? 1 is here and 8 is here. So, let me start our verification. We have the following: angle 1, angle 8 congruent is given, and we have from the graph 1 and 4 are congruent angles. Let me see. 1 and 4, yes, guys, did you see them? Now we talk about this before a second. They are what? They are vertically opposite angles. Excellent, guys, it's written vertically opposite angles. So we have number 1, as you see, and we have number 2. So from 1 and 2, we can conclude that because 1 and 1 is the same angle, we can conclude that 4 and 8 are what? Are congruent. But he's asking, which case do we have? Again, let me go back to our graph. Yes, 4 and 8 are corresponding angles. Excellent. As you see, they are corresponding angles. And it is written, we have the corresponding angles case number 1. Excellent, I give you a tick that you are correct. Now we have on the same graph another question. It says, this question is on page 172 in your book. He gives you the measure of angle 4, 2x plus 10, measure of angle 5, 3x minus 55, and it's given a value for x 65. And again, we are on the same graph. Here we are, yes. As you see, he talked about measure of angle 4 and measure of angle 5. Now, what we will do, we'll take this value of x and we will substitute this value for both angles. So you will say 2 times 65 plus 10. If you will do your calculations, you will get 140. And measure of angle 5, 3 times 65 minus 55 again. As you see, you will find the same value, 140, 140. So that means that the measures are equal, they are congruent. So that means angle 4 and angle 5 are congruent. In this case, we will prove that L and M are parallel. But again, what do you think 4 and 5 are? Which case we have? Let me go. Yes, this is 4 and this is 5. Excellent. They are alternate interior angles. You are excellent. Here he said, which case do we have? Yes, according to the chart or the graph, is this case number 2, alternate interior angles. And again, we prove in this case that these two lines are what? Are parallel. Of course, I will give you something to improve yourself. If you have an answer for these questions, of course, is a homework. Page number 173, numbers 5, 6, 7, and page 174, number 13, 12, and 14. And you can send your homework on a A4 paper. You can take a photo on this and send it to me, and of course on our Vipers, and we will communicate directly with each others, and I will wait for your answers, my dear students. I love you so much. For today, lesson number 1, we finish, and again, I will say to you, welcome back, my dear students. Grade 8, loved you and missed you all. Thank you very much. Bye from Mr. Khalid. Bye, my dear, bye.